What inspires me to design this piece, the 80s, when I was a teenager. And I received my first Casio watch from my grandfather. It was the period of the beginning of the digital art. The most difficult in this challenge was to recreate an electronic display, but only with traditional mechanic. The most I enjoy in this adventure was a surprise. When I explained to people this opus, they all believed that it was an electronic display, but in fact it wasn't. I hope that this opus will always provoke an extreme emotions. Or you love it, or you hate it. 3 words to explain this opus. Audacity and tradition.